Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ASNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this case, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move. I can't imagine anybody saying that where it closed here relative to where it was going into the day, sitting around saying, no, this wasn't a good move. Everybody would agree this was a good move, but that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, I just want to make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, good. That gives us more perspective. It's all about this level right here. And I don't know what the value is quite yet. $1.95. So why is $1.95 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, a price movement with true power is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.95. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's literally putting the price right back inside of this big old range where the price had been trapped for weeks upon weeks. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, not saying this will happen, but let's say it pulls all the way back to here, bounces around, and then heads up. So even after a very drastic pullback like that, what would you still have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows right there, previous set down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress as time unfolds. And in this case, I'm just defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as $1.95. Now, what about areas of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where's some of these next key battlegrounds at? And to be honest, right now, it looks like a miniature blue sky breakout as the next level of resistance, not until, up here around the gap close location. Now, am I saying that within 2 seconds on Monday, the price is going to be up to 280? I'm not saying that. But technically speaking, because the price has now cleared these previous highs right here, it is in what I would call a little miniature blue sky breakout. But at this point, breaking levels of resistance, not really the top priority. Top priority is just building higher bases and going through healthy consolidation. Because as long as there's higher bases being built over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So no doubt about it, very nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.